Hi guys, it's Memorial Day weekend and it's kind of yucky out right now. It's raining. It's Saturday and thinking about you, sitting down and doing some solar energy stuff that you're going to be working on this weekend. Hope everybody is having a really good Memorial Day weekend. I know I got outside for a little while this morning and I putzed around in the garden. I see some spinach that's coming up, so that's exciting. Okay, so we're going to talk about solar energy this week. You're going to do some assignments on solar energy. I know everybody has seen these lovely panels. We want to look at how they actually work and what they actually are doing. So in a nutshell, just give you a kind of an overview here. Sunlight comes out, from the sun, and it has tiny bits of energy, and those tiny bits of energy we call photons. And those photons hit these glass panels. And when they hit those solar panels, there's something called a semiconducting material, mainly silicon, inside that absorbs those photons, those little packets of energy. And because they're absorbing it, it's forcing the electrons to jump to higher energy levels. When those electrons are jumping out of the panels, they can be captured because now they're moving in the form of electricity. And we can capture those electrons moving and make electricity in something called a DC current, which is a direct current. Well, then it has to be inverted in an inverter, and that inverter then changes it to alternating current or AC. Oh, the dog's here. Hello, dog. And that AC is what is actually going to be used in your house. It's called alternating current, and that's what, when you plug something in to the wall, you are actually using alternate current, AC electricity. And there's a lot of houses. As you wander around the neighborhood, you'll see them up on the rooftops. I think even JFK, one of the elementary schools, I don't remember which one, had solar panels, and they're really paying for themselves. I can imagine in the next 10 years or so, we're going to see more and more of them. Right, Sol? You want to tell the class that you see the solar panels too? He wants to be fed. Okay, I hope you guys have a really awesome week. I'll talk to you later in the week. Miss you all. Have a good one.